Well, there we go. It's right down to the wire here because it's Friday the, I don't know, 12th, I think, something like that. And we really are we're not doing very. I'm just, we're having a hard time. We struggle with the chrome. I'm struggling with these rubbers. We haven't got the back window chromes in. They need to take an out and readjusted. This window's gone back together quite nicely. That door handle is plain sleeve version the inside, so that's cleaned up, ready. But that's what it's starting to look like. But I've still got so much to do. I know I'm doing stupid things like putting rubbers in when I could be doing the gearbox and sorting out the air cleaner box and stuff. So it's just too much, guys. So we're going to get it done. I'm going to try and do it. I mean, I've got today and I've got tomorrow. But I'm just trying to think. I was thinking to myself, it's about 12 o'clock in the Ed Shed, and I could do with some gin. Because if I had had a drink, I might have more enthusiasm, and then I might start to grin. Now, I don't know whether we're going to get it finished, but I'm really going to give it a try. And Clive says he's going to come and put the glass in, the screens in, and I just begin to wonder why. It's a nightmare, this car, but it's coming along. Doo-doo. These are absolute pains in the ass to do. I don't think anyone who's had one of these will know exactly how bad they are. What a stupid design they are. Stupid design this is. Obviously, when you put your rubbers in, you then end up with the fact that yes, anyway, we won't go down the road. But yeah, so I've still got the one around there, one down there, and still got plenty to do. But as I said, he's going to come. He's going to glue these in later. These are going to be glued back next, and then the rubber's going to be turned round. And I think then, like I said, guys, we're not too far away, but it's just too many things. So I'm turning you off there and say thanks for liking, thanks for watching, and remember, RAC. Talk to you soon. Bye.